This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? As y'all can see by the title and thumbnail, in today's video, we are meeting up with the one and only Tanny Mobile RT owner. I haven't seen my baby since what? Damn near last year, bro. I haven't seen an RT in a minute. We finally meet up with the owner, the new owner to the Tanny Mobile. We got a long 3-hour drive to go up in New York. Yeah, let's make this a good video, y'all. I'm gonna try to do a little POV drive. I'm gonna do a couple different videos with them, but this one's gonna be like the main vlogging video. We're about 2 hours away from where we're meeting up. Also, the owner doesn't know that I'm giving him the tune. So I did have this tune just sitting in my crib. I was gonna tune this car, but I decided to just go with the wide body instead. I may tune it in the future. So what we're gonna do is give the RT owner the tune to the car so he can spit flames and we can put a smile on his face with this joint. By the way, y'all, let me show y'all what happened real quick. So we're like an hour into driving, bro, and my axle and drive shaft are cooked. Both my axles and my drive shaft are cooked from spinning and doing donuts. My car started smoking, bro. Look at this. That is a tear in my axle boot, bro. That is smoking up. And we still taking this drive to see the Tanny Mobile. So I need everybody who's watching this video to get this video to 50K likes, because I'm doing this for y'all. I'm risking my car getting towed 3 hours away back to Delaware. I'm making this video for y'all to see the RT. So it's gonna be a special video, man. It's gonna be a banger. So smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. We in the road. I'm gonna catch y'all once we get to our location. Let me show y'all what we were working with, man. We did a little pit stop real quick. As y'all can see, Striker, no front bumper is crazy. I'm not gonna cap, but that's cool, man. She's still looking good with no bumper. We still got the headlights nice and red, looking mean as hell. She's looking good. We got the Demon hood. If y'all can guess and tell me why I have no front bumper, I give y'all $1,000. But I'm doing a special modification, y'all. I can't tell y'all what's going on yet. Y'all just gotta see like that I have no bumper and guess what's about to happen. It's about to be a crazy mod. I'm not gonna cap. A lot of y'all been waiting for this mod and we finally doing it. So man, let's get back on the road because we still got a 2-hour drive. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to our location this time actually. So let's get it. All right guys, we are 5 minutes away from the one and only OG Tanny RT and the owner. 4 minutes actually, 4 minutes away. This is a long 3-hour drive, but I think it was well worth it. Yeah, I can't wait to see bro's reaction when I give him this tune, man. It's gonna be a great mod for him. I ain't gonna cap. I only did like 5 videos with the tune when I had the RT, so it's his turn to take over. Subscribe to him, y'all. Whenever y'all get a chance, subscribe to him if y'all want to see some Tanny RT content with the tune. Hey, y'all, we're gonna try to make this a banger video for y'all and turn up. Like I said, we're gonna give y'all a POV drive. It's gonna be crazy. 3-hour drive. 3-hour drive, y'all. Long 3-hour drive. Finally made it. 3 minutes away from the Tanny. This shit about to be crazy. I've been taking it easy on this car. I haven't been pushing it like that. Like I said, my axle was like torn apart, like literally done, bro. This shit cooked. This 3 hours wasn't that bad, I'm not gonna lie. I might shed a tear. And this parking lot low-key small as hell. Bro, I ain't seen this car in so long, bro. What the fuck? I should've went that way. What the fuck? I'm excited. I'm excited. Tanny! RT, man, this shit crazy. Still got the cat hood on it, the wheels. I never would have thought I'd ever see something like this. Like, we got both of the cars together, both the Tannys, bro. I always had a problem with this fog light too.
I fixed it like 4 times.
Yeah, that shit keeps falling out. When I had it, like, it kept falling out for some reason. But you could probably like send zip ties or something through it. Yeah, should be cool. Damn, y'all, this shit crazy, bro. RT, Tanny Mobile. I never would have ever thought I'd see like this image, like with both of the cars, bro. Both of the cars I own. I wish I had my bumper on, bro. This shit.
What the fuck?
We get ready to hit the road though. We're gonna do a little POV drive, so make sure y'all stay tuned to the end of the video because this is going to be a banger and a lot of y'all been waiting for something like this. By the way, she is tuned. I did give him the underground tuning, so y'all gonna hear some pops, burbles, crackles, and all that. Stay tuned, and we gonna hit the road right now. It's gonna be the best POV drive I've ever done, man. We got the Tanny Mobile RT in front of me. We in the big 392 Tanny Scat. We got the Tanny Mobiles together right now, so y'all have to watch the whole thing for me. We get ready to head back. I think we just driving around, honestly, because I don't know where we're at right now. Look at the Tanny though, like look at the wicker bill. Look at that ass, like I just missed that ass. That shit's so fat. Even though it don't got a BBL, it's still fat. We did give him the tune, so he does have flames coming out of that thing. I'm gonna hear some pops, some crackles and all that. Bro, y'all hear that? Bro, oh my goodness. Yo, if I had a bumper on, bro, my bumper would have been cooked. Like, absolutely cooked, bro. That's crazy. Like, I literally feel it. And I'm not even in the car. That's going crazy, y'all. I need y'all to smash that like button for this video, y'all. This is crazy, bro. I never would have ever thought I'd ever see this image of both of the Tannys together. Crazy, bro. By the way, if y'all hear clicking noises from my car, it's because my axle is cooked. I don't even know how I'm driving right now, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look at the mountains, y'all. We in Utah. Shit crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try not to do too much talking, y'all, so y'all can enjoy the engine, the 5.7 liter Tanny engine. Oh, that shit looks so good, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up view when I get out of the car. But damn, see that BBL? All right, y'all, we getting ready to park up, take a couple flicks. This is a nice thumbnail spot. Oh my goodness. So inspirational, man. We got both of the Tanny mobiles. Let me hear that thing. Yeah, you should be good. God, bro. That shit sounds crazy. Damn.
It sounds like a NASCAR.
It sounds crazy, bro. I was waiting for a pop too. I was like, oh shit. That draw sounds crazy. I'm gonna end up getting a tune for my scat, bro. I'm already knowing.
It's only right.
Yeah. Did you hear my axle like squeaking and shit?
Yeah, when you turn right.
Yes, bro, that shit's bad. Like the whole time I was driving, like you just hear it clicking. It's not broke all the way, but it's damn near done. Like it's split open and all that, bro. It's bad. Like I can't really speed or nothing. The whole car is like junky right now until I get the wide body and then get the car fixed. Crazy. Popcorn. It just spit a flame and did burbles at the same time, bro. I never seen that. That shit sounds crazy, bro. I'm about to buy the tune back, yo. What y'all think? I should definitely grab it for the Scatty, for sure. After I wide body this shit, bro, I'm grabbing that tune. Mark my words, y'all. Mark my words. If y'all want me to do a part 2 and come back out here again, let me know and I got y'all. Oh my God. That shit is obnoxious, bro. Hold on, I gotta get in front of it. We got a nice little POV drive with the Tanny RT. Got her tuned up again. We got the flames coming out. We got the verbal tune. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure you smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want to see a part 2, let me know, and I'll definitely come back out here and do a part 2. Man, I haven't seen this in 7 months, y'all. Without this car, bro, I wouldn't be where I'm at today. I really appreciate y'all, too. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch you on the next banger video.
Simple as that.